Hi, I'm Sharon Burns, and we're back cooking with Sharon. Oh my God, you guys, I am super excited about this episode because as you all know before, you've seen the charcuterie, the Cobb salad charcuterie board. This is one of my new pieces of equipment that I had to build to use and implement. So, I mean, everyone loves brunch, right? Everyone loves mimosas, right? So why not make a charcuterie mimosa board? Okay, so I was told that charcuterie, as you all know, is supposed to be like a bunch of piles of meat, cured meats and cheeses and nuts and fruits and berries and all that. But I mean, look, we can do and create however we want. So that's why I said we're going to do a champagne or mimosa charcuterie. So let's get started. You can call it whatever you want, but I'm calling it a mimosa charcuterie. So as you see here, I don't know about you all, but whenever I go to brunch, I like variety. And as you see here, we have variety of fruits. So you can't have just plain champagne. You have to spice it up and do something different. So that's what we're going to do here today. And first we'll start off, let's see, it's all about placement, but as you all know, you can place and create however you want, make it look good. And if you don't have all the different types of dishes that I have here, that's all good. You can actually place it on the board as piles if you'd like. So I think what we'll do here, we're going to get our juices started first. I have traditional orange juice that we'll use. Let's put it in the bigger one. Traditional orange juice. And we'll use the bigger one because a lot more people actually, I think, will probably use orange juice. I'm a mango fan, so one of our juices is going to be mango. And then traditional, some bars will have cranberry juice, so we'll just go ahead and add that to our mimosa station, if you will. So we have orange juice. We're going to do mango, and you could do, what is also so good in these mimosas I've tried is like a cran grape or the cran peach if you've seen it at the store. So this is a mango. Also another one, you see I've tried it out a couple different times. Another good juice to potentially include too. One is like a green base, so, you know, people will think that they're drinking healthy. You could use that. You could also use a like pink lemonade. It's over in the chilled section of the juices at the grocery store. So that is amazing. I love it. So you can try that out, but we're just going to stick with these standard ones today. And so we have our juices placed. Next, I have pre-cut mangoes. I said that I was a fan of mangoes, so we're going to place our mangoes. We'll put it by the mango juice, and then we'll just kind of strategically place our fruit around the board. And I'm actually going to put, these are pomegranate. These are pomegranate, so you can see a little bit better. Let me turn this around. Pomegranate seeds. I'm going to put that in the middle. Not too many people are going to actually try this. I mean, I don't think, but hey, you might as well just try something different. We're going to put the raspberries, blackberries, and then some more pineapple. So let's jazz this up a little bit. I went ahead and put on little toothpicks, the blackberries and the raspberries. So then someone could take this and then put it in their glass and then add the champagne. So we'll add those to our board. And then I have some orange slices here. I'm going to actually cut them in half to make it so it can look better. Let's see. So we'll cut them in half. I did originally the little rounds. We'll take them in half, and then if someone wanted to actually put half of it in their glass, they could. You also could cut them in quarters like this. And then that way it could fit better. But for presentation for today, I'm going to stick with the halves. All right. Again, it's to your liking and to your visual eye, if you will. So let me turn this around. I'm going to work and turn as we go. So also what I'm going to do is add in a little bit of like treat. You know, when you're having a mimosa, you got to have something sweet too. And it's around brunch time, so you're going to have brunch food maybe, possibly. Or this could be something that you could just put together at your house for just a get-together. Doesn't have to be brunch. Okay, so we have our oranges. I'm going to add just a little bit more. And then we're going to add in, I decided because I like cinnamon rolls, I found some little baby cinnamon rolls. You could do that. And I also found some donut holes. I love those. So we're going to add those to our board. But again, it's any pastry or any type of sweet that you may like. Your guests are going to love it regardless. And this is just something different that you can jazz things up with for your get-together. All right, let's see, what am I missing? Oh, these pineapple, gotta have that. We're just going to add them strategically. Well, not really strategically, but, you know, just so it looks good. I made them again as they're quarters. I cut them in half and then I half them again. All right. And you don't have to have this much fruit. Again, in the beginning, like I said, I like variety, so that's why I opted for all the different types of fruit. So you have that, and then let's see, we have some donut holes. I selected these for color, so these are like a strawberry donut hole. We'll just add these to it. And I mean, isn't this so simple? And it's so cute. So why not do something different, cute, and simple? Your guests are going to love you. And then all they're going to be talking about, oh, did you see that mimosa charcuterie? Or maybe not. But I mean, if I went to someone's house and I saw this, I'd be like, dang, that's cute. So why not go ahead and just impress them? So there you have it. Oh, wow, that is super cute. We'll just add this. And then again, you can use different types of pastries if you'd like. Like I said, I selected those. Oh, I have these strawberries for a reason. Let's put a little garnish on. Okay, and then just to top it off, I have mint. It's always good just to add. This is also, one of your guests could actually take some of the mint and put it in their glass as well. That'll be a nice flavor. But then also for garnish, this will accent your board, your charcuterie board, just a little bit more. All right. So the main part obviously is cutting and getting the fruit ready. But you see right here, once we have it already cut and placed, it's good to go. So now all we need to do is pour our champagne and try this out. So, I mean, I don't mind if I do. I might as well, let's see. I don't want it to go to waste, even though I don't think so. I should open up a smaller bottle, right, y'all? Just so I don't waste. Oh, I'll drink it. Don't worry. So, let's see. And I think I'm going to do it with the, since mango is one of my favorites, I'm going to do mango, I think, just so you all can see the whole setup. But again, it's so simple. It's cute. And it took us maybe, once we had everything cut, about 15 minutes to put together. So, pretty simple. And like I said, your guests will love it. So, okay. Remember when you're pouring, I always pour at an angle because you don't want all those bubbles. And then, what did I say? Cranberry juice? No. I said mango. This may be a unique combination, but it's all good because that's why you're here to experiment. So we'll just do a little bit of mango. And then I'm going to add in some mango. And since it's all here already, I'm going to add in, for color, I'm going to add in raspberries. So simple, right? So another quick type of option for your next event, Cooking with Sharon. Thanks for joining us. Until the next time, we'll see you.